With rising inflation and disruption in global economies, who wouldn't want to have some extra money in their bank account? Can we get a quick heads up if you are aiming to make money? As we all know, the world is becoming increasingly competitive, and making money can seem daunting. But what if I told you there is a way out? Yup, you heard it right. Well, before we move ahead and explore the 7 can't-miss trends about ways to make money, just give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel, because nobody would want to miss out on making some money. Today, we have access to the internet, and it's one of the great blessings for us. I mean, a few years back, who knew you could start your own business from the comfort of your own home? You only need an internet connection to make money online. Dive into the online world to escape the daily grind of a desk job and give yourself more time to travel, pursue hobbies, and spend time with family. That is how the money-making trends have been evolving. Trend 1. Try print on demand. A popular trend and way to make money is through print on demand, POD. Because it has a lower overhead than other businesses, many people have adopted this business model. Print on demand is similar to drop shipping in that you do not need to keep inventory or ship products to customers. However, there are 2 minor differences. To begin with, you can create your own custom products, which is excellent for brand recognition. Second, rather than a wide range of categories, you can select specific items. Most print-on-demand companies sell products that are simple to customize, such as t-shirts, mugs, and tote bags. Trend 2. Affiliate marketing. E-commerce is taking businesses to new levels through different trends. One such trend is affiliate marketing. Its popularity has risen and fallen over the years, but it remains a reliable way to earn money on the internet. The best part, or rather the beauty of affiliate marketing, is that you can collaborate with a diverse range of companies such as Shopify, Amazon, Uber, and FabFitFun. Affiliate marketing allows you to make money by promoting other people's products. And do you know that you can earn a commission from sales by promoting retail products, software, apps, and other services? While a commission may appear insignificant, keep in mind that you can be an affiliate for multiple brands and include multiple affiliate links in a single blog post. Trend 3. Try side gigs. Side gigs can enable you to make money while maintaining your full-time job. This is a fantastic way to earn an extra couple $100s per month. The work does not always last, but it can. Use platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Skillshare to find online part-time jobs. As a newcomer to the gig economy, you should prioritize offering a low price so you can get your first review. I'd suggest asking a friend to purchase your gig and leave your first review so you can get started faster. Just remember that you have to treat your friend as a client and deliver a finished product that you can include in your portfolio. Trend 4. Selling your stuff. Selling items you no longer use is an easy way to make extra money. When employing this strategy, make certain that the items you put up for sale are valuable to today's buyers. When considering selling your belongings, concentrate on electronics, furniture, toys, and crafts. Well, the same products can be listed on multiple platforms, including Amazon, Facebook Marketplace, and your own online store. Multi-channel selling increases your chances of finding customers for your products. Trend 5. Drive your car. If you have a car, you can supplement your income as an Uber driver or delivery person. Even if you don't, you can still use your bicycle or moped to deliver food and other necessities. Uber drivers who want to make even more money with their cars can use free car media to turn their vehicles into moving billboards. In this case, the company will wrap your car in removable vinyl with a product or brand advertisement. Trend 6. Become a Twitch streamer. Twitch began as a gaming platform, but it is quickly expanding to include other types of content as well. Twitch streaming is an increasingly popular way to make money online these days. To make money quickly on Twitch, you must first build your following. If you are consistent, streaming on this platform can help you quickly build a large audience. Find a popular game or channel that isn't too competitive so that people can easily find your content. You'll need to have a consistent style for your channel in order to get people to notice your streams. Will they be funny, educational, or entertaining? Just choose a path and stay on it. Trend 7. Start reviewing apps and websites. If you are interested in user experience, many apps pay reviewers $10 to provide feedback on other entrepreneurs' websites and apps. You will be given a series of questions to answer as you browse a website. That is an instant way to make money online. You will simply send, and as soon as the entrepreneur receives your ideas along with feedback, you will get paid. Also, if your video is only 20 minutes long, you will end up making $30. Now imagine if you did 3 videos per hour. You can make a lot of money. Other reviewers can take on such projects quickly, so make sure that you always act quickly when a new website or app needs to be reviewed. So it's time to get rid of your boring and unwanted job. And even if you don't, you will still have a great way of making some extra cash. Then, are you guys ready to upscale your wealth? Just follow these 7 trends and kickstart your work. Share this video with everyone. Continue watching, and stay tuned for more interesting videos.